Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, it's one of those wild and crazy hair days, you know. It just wants to go do whatever it's doing because it's raining outside. Well, it rained this morning. But I wanted to show y'all what we got because I like trying different yarns from different places. And this brown doesn't work. But anyway, we bought from Hobbii, Hobbi. So, I am going to show y'all what we got. And one of it is I'm okay with. I guess, you know, read it a little bit better. And other not so much. So, we're going to see. I'm going to show y'all. Alright. So this, I did not see that this was cotton yarn. But Anastasia picked this out. And I mean, that's pretty and everything. So I don't know what they're going to do with it. So this is one of them. This is lot 1042, color number 1. Frita. It's 100% cotton. Let's see here. It's 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, 210 milliliters, or 229 yards. So, but I'm quite sure her mom will make a scrubby or something out of that for her. And then this one, I'll show you the colors, is, it says Fruto too, but this was called, oh goodness gracious. It's a number 4 tube. Well, that's not the name of this. I'll put the names down below because it doesn't have the name on there. Yeah, tiny little print. But it was pretty cool to have something from Copenhagen, Denmark. So here's the other one. And it's the same size as that. 100% cotton, 100 grams, 3.50 ounces, 210 milliliters, and 229 yards. And no, it just says, okay, yeah. I will get the names. This one is lot 571, color number 13. Alright, so I saw this, and you know me, I love Christmas, and I really didn't think it was what I thought it was. I thought it was something else. So I'm going to show y'all this. It's really pretty. It's sock yarn, which is okay. I can use that. I'm trying to make socks anyway. And it's lot 653051, color number 21. And yeah, it just says Christmas Universe. And then it's 98% acrylic and 2% polyester, 100 grams, 3.50 ounces, 462 milliliter, whatever, and 505 yards. Alright, so I'm back. That was my son and daughter-in-law coming in the door. So I showed y'all the Christmas one and everything, and then we got this one because my daughter-in-law wants to make something for Anastasia with it. This is pretty cool and it's cute. This is the Honey Bunny Candy. It is lot 608, color number 124. And it's 85% polyester, 15% pomade, 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 131 yards, 120 meters. So that's pretty cool. And then this is what I was disappointed about, was the cotton yarn. And that's part me not, I guess, not reading, you know. So I got pink, a light blue, and a dark blue. And then all this, well, the lot number on this one is 32467. This one's 30413. And this is 32704. And then they have the color numbers and everything. But these are 1.75 ounces. 115 yards. So I guess I'm, gonna have to make a scrubby or a washcloth with and everything. I'm gonna see, but they do have the pull tabs right here, which is pretty cool. So, but you know, overall it wasn't bad. They do offer free shipping every once in a while. Like if you have a $19 or more, they offer free shipping, and it's pretty cool to get yarn from Copenhagen, Denmark. You know, that I think that's like awesome. You know, yeah, Copenhagen, NV, Denmark. So, thank you, Hobie, so much. We're gonna test these out and see what it comes out to be, and you know, like I'm not sponsored or anything. This is stuff that I bought and I wanted to see how it's going to work. So thank y'all for stopping in. Um, we love y'all. Have a good day. Yeah, all those fun things that don't at the end. Push those buttons. And we'll see you next time on our treasure home.